So the question is, can the QuickJack 7000 lift my wife's Lincoln MKZ so that I can do an oil change and a tire rotation? That's next. So I've got the Lincoln all the way up on the QuickJack. The short answer to the question, can the 7000 do it, is yes. The long answer is yes, but. And the but is you need to have the proper support blocks in order to do this the right way. I've seen a lot of videos out there where it shows people just jacking these things up and they're crushing the pinch welds on the cars themselves. These cars are unibody and they don't have a frame rail like some other vehicles do, like my old Chevy or my truck. So you have to be more careful with these things. And in order to do it properly, you use a special block that's made specifically for pinch welds. And I have a picture I can show you right here. Here's a picture of one of the lifting blocks that I used to lift up the MKZ. As you can see, there's a channel that runs down the lifting block to accommodate that pinch weld. Using the block in this manner prevents the pinch weld itself from being damaged, and it distributes the weight evenly. I should probably mention that it took me about 45 minutes in order to line up those lifting blocks so that they made contact with the pinch welds properly. The reason for that was because the MKZ is pretty low to the ground and it's kind of hard to get your head under there to see whether those blocks are lined correctly. So it took a little bit of fiddling, but once they were in place, I was able to lift the car without a problem. So this is what one of these look like. You can see the area where it allows for the pinch weld. It's got two different depths, the 3/4 inch and the 3/8 inch right here. And for my wife's car, I had to use the 3/4 inch. And they work just fine. They let that pinch weld sit right inside here, and it doesn't get all bent up. Well, that's about it for this little project. We got the oil changed and the tires rotated without doing any damage to the undercarriage thanks to those lifting blocks and the QuickJack 7000. We'll see you on the next video.